Oh, yeah. So we are going to see the next question in the linked list category, easy category. So this question, we have to insert a node at the tail of a linked list. So linked list, we have a head and a tail. Tail means the end part of it, obviously. So we have to insert a new node at the tail of the linked list. Okay. So we are given number of size of the linked list. We are given linked list data values 1412474. Okay, these are all the values, and output is nothing but the values getting printed again. So we have to just add those values. So we have to complete this function. So first thing you should do is I'm doing it in C. Okay. So here they have defined the linked list node in this manner, and linked list they have defined like this. They have made a function to create the node which takes data. Okay. Because we will need to create a new node while adding to the linked list. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll just create here a new node. So that's so simply passing the listeners node, and then we had a star, and we had new node. Yeah. So I'll make a new node. So what I'll do is I'll make this new node and I'll call the function creates new linked list node with data, which is nothing but data which is being passed on here. Okay. So this way I'll make a new node which I will insert at the tail of the linked list. Now what I have to do is I have to check if my head is null or not. Okay, so if head equals null, in that case, I will return uh, the new node itself, the one I created. Okay, so if there is an empty list and I'm the first one coming there, I'll take that new node and I'll just keep it, send it with that. Okay, otherwise, what I will do is I will take single linked list and in this node, I'll create one more node. Okay, we have head, but it is not a good practice to use head. So in that, for that reason, we keep a pointer variable as well. Okay, so we'll name it PTR. You will get to know the reason we are using PTR instead of head most of the times in the coming videos when we do more complex problems in this linked list. Okay, as of now, this thing, it is mandatory. It is a good practice to keep a PTR extra. Okay, so that PTR I will assign it as equals to head. So the head and PTR are pointing to the same thing. Okay. So what I'll do is now I want to go to the last element so that I can add my new node at the end of it. So to if I say here while PTR is equal while PTR is not equal to null, PTR equals to PTR का link. Next. Okay. So when PTR is not equal to null, PTR equal to PTR. Next, same thing we did in last video also while we were traversing this. Okay. The thing is, if I do this, I will reach to the end of the linked list and the end will be null. I don't want that. I want to reach the last node. So here I will check while PTR ka next is not equal to null. So what it will do is it will reach the second last node. When it will reach the second last node, it will check what is the PTR ka next. PTR ka next is the last node, right? It is not null. So it will come in the loop. When it will reach the last node, it will check while PTR का next is null. तो लास्ट वाले का नेक्स्ट जो है वो नल होगा. ओके, लास्ट नोड का नेक्स्ट जो है लिंक वो नल होगा. So it won't go inside the loop. So I will get my last node in my PTR. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do here. Now I have got my last node. What I have to do is I have to put my last node. I have to put my new node at the link of last node. So PTR next will be my new node. Okay, and also this is a very important key. New node ka next should be assigned to null. Okay, so that it represents that now the new node has become the tail. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Now in the code, and we have a nice error. Once again, if while instead of volume string variable. Open that table. I'm missing a bracket. So I don't see any error. There's error 82, 41, 82, 3. Do I need to put a yeah, sorry, I forgot to plan. So, see here, it's not a void function, it is returning a pointer. So when we are done again doing the operation on the linked list, we usually return the head of the linked list so that the list can be accessed again. So yeah, that's it. The return head statement was missing. So yeah, this is how you insert a new node at the tail of a linked list and submit the code to get a nice little star. And that's it. Thank you for watching.